Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Cancerians. Okay, Three of Swords followed by the Ace of Wands. Wow, the Ace of Cups. Five of Pentacles. The Five of Swords and the Death card. Two of Pentacles, the Justice and the Four of Wands. Let's see what's there for Cancerians from this deck. Okay, the Magician. Guidance from the angels. Messenger of emotion. Okay. Cancerians, what I am getting here is there has been a situation which was very painful for you, and it was causing you deep agony, but you have dealt with it, and you are having a new beginning in your life, which you are very very passionate about, and it's going to give you a lot of emotional fulfillment and satisfaction. So definitely there is a new beginning. So you are coming out of that negative situation, coming out of that painful situation, whatever this cause of pain was, and you are ready for a new beginning and trying to receive the benefits of this new beginning, whatever this new beginning is. Okay. But what I see here is that with the Five of Pentacles and with the Five of Swords, there is some argument which is happening. There is some sort of a dispute, an argument which is here, and which is leaving you left out in the cold. You feel betrayed, you feel left out, you feel cheated sort of. Also, you are not very happy over here. Because, and the reason for this is that either somebody is trying to, somebody is rude, sort of, they want to have things their own way, basically, that's what. So though you were already in a, and I don't think it is this. I'm not able. I think it is something different. You had come out of this negative Three of Sword energy, and there was something which was very very emotionally fulfilling and brand new for you. But I think that new thing has also fallen off because of some reason, and that reason is because there is somebody here who tries to have their own way. They want to have things the way they want, and maybe because of that there has been an argument, a fight, a dispute, whatever it is, and that is why you feel betrayed over here, feel ignored, perhaps rejected, whatever, and the situation is ending. This is ending. This situation is ending. I don't see this materializing, whatever this situation is. And after the situation ends, here you are trying to balance things out and trying to sort things out, trying to make a decision, and this decision is pending or being delayed, or this indecisive energy is because of the fact, obviously because of this a negativity which has already happened. But what I see here is that this decision will be made once some sort of truth comes out or some sort of justice happens. So what I see here is that balance will be restored. Whatever you are trying to decide upon, you will be able to decide on whatever the situation is once some sort of information comes up, some sort of truth comes to you, some sort of justice happens, whatever it is. But something you come to know of something else also, and then it is being followed by the Four of Wands. So this is obviously a commitment, this is obviously a stable foundation and a happy beginning, and it is a happy relationship. So what I feel here is, so whatever this past is, whatever the present is, but definitely in the future is, it's good. There are things being balanced, there are things being sort of justified in your mind, in your life, and you are in for a new beginning again and a commitment over here. And here with the Magician, definitely there is a new beginning for you. I don't see this, whatever it was, this new beginning with the aces, I don't think it has materialized, it has ended, it will end. But I don't think you need to worry about much. You still have things in your life to sort out, and you will be able to sort them out, and you have stable commitments and stable foundations here for whatever this situation is, and a new beginning. Messenger of emotion, this is a beginning of a new emotional experience that could grow into something deeper. Maybe this is a decision which you have to make, that should I or should I not commit to this new relationship, if it is a relationship, or whatever it is in your life, whatever the situation is. You may receive a message expressing feelings that you don't even know were developing. So that's what some sort of truth will be revealed to you. Okay. A social invitation could soon be on its way to you. There is a person involved who is gentle and loving with only kindest of intentions. It could be you, especially if you're artistic, shy and sensitive. So definitely the cause of indecision is because you don't have the clear picture, and once the clear picture comes to you, perhaps you will be able to make the right decision, sort things out, balance them, and you will be able to make a right decision which is solid, which is stable, which is committed and has stable foundations. Now this it can be a relationship, or it can be a partnership, it can be any career related thing, whatever it is. This one is stable and it is new, but I don't think this thing is going to materialize, whatever has started after this. It can be that it was a rebound for this Three of Swords energy, that you pushed into something and then it couldn't materialize. It can be that for some of you, but yeah, though it is ending, but then still you have other options, and you will be choosing amongst the other options which you have. Still, everything is not ending over here, that's what I'm saying. You still have other things to think about and to choose on. You still have other options on which you will be able to choose and decide as to what to do. But you are taking the time because you still want some more information, you want more clarity perhaps, and once that comes out with the Justice card, with the Four of Wands, you will be able to take that particular decision which you are looking forward as a stable, committed and a long-term thing, whatever this is for you. So that's all I have for you, Cancerians. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.